Narrated by Abu Huraira. Allah's Prophet ﷺ was asked, "What is the best deed?" He replied, "To believe in Allah and His Apostle Muhammad." The questioner then asked, "What is the next in goodness?" He replied, "To participate in jihad, religious fighting in Allah's cause." The questioner again asked, "What is the next in goodness?" He replied, "To perform Hajj, pilgrimage to Makkah, Mubrur, which is accepted by Allah and is performed with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure only and not to show off and without committing a sin and in accordance with the tradition of Prophet." Hadith number 26, Sahih Bukhari.